Minor Academy of Sciences of Ukraine. Ukrainian. Mala Akademia Nauk Ukrainy is the governmental organization of extracurricular education units in research and experimental area. It is an integral, multi-level system of recognition and selection of gifted children. Minor Academy of Sciences is subordinate the National Academy of Sciences. The Ministry of Education and Science of Ukraine and arose from the local network of pioneer palaces. Goals. Created to meet following goals: to provide mental, intellectual, creative development of school youth, to create conditions for social and vocational orientation, to form nations' intellectual potential. Tasks. Main tasks of Minor Academy of Sciences are realization of state policy concerning work with gifted school youth, recognition, development and social support for gifted, bright and talented children, involvement of intellectually and creatively gifted children into scientific research, experimental and creative activities, serving the school youth needs in vocational orientation and creative self-realization according to their interests and abilities, extension and systematization of pupils' knowledge in different areas of science, formation of abilities, skills and culture of scientific research, implementation of contemporary methods and methodic of studying into educational process of general and extracurricular educational institutions, oriented on pupils' research activity, study, generalization and expansion of the best pedagogical experience of working with gifted children and youth, organization of social support for talented educators who bring up future scientific generation. Structure. Minor Academy of Sciences of Ukraine unites 27 regional territorial departments which coordinate activities of district and city local departments and pupils, scientific societies. General coordination of the local departments' activity is run by the National Center, Minor Academy of Sciences of Ukraine. Supreme governing body of MAUS is Presidium, members of which are outstanding scientists of our country, country leaders in the research field. Presidium. President: Oleksiy Dovgiri. Vice President: Viktor Bayraktar. Vice President: Viktor Andrushchenko. Head of Chemistry and Biology Department: Valery Kurkar. Head of Philology and Art Studies Department: Mykola Julinsky. Head of Computer Science and Programming Department: Volodymyr Redko. Head of Physics and Mathematics Department: Anatoly Samoylenko. Member of Presidium: Valery Hayats. Member of Presidium: Dmytro Melnichuk. Member of Presidium: Viktor Grinchenko. Educational directions. On the basis of Minor Academy of Sciences, around 7,000 scientific groups and sections in different areas, with over 200,000 senior pupils are involved annually into scientific and research activity. Scientific areas. Science and technology. 287 groups. 3,136 students, including 1,009 students from rural areas. Computer science and programming. 760 groups. 9,065 students, including 1,690 students from rural area. Physics and mathematics. 1,312 groups. 16,220 students, including 4,691 students from rural area. History and geography. 1,636 groups. 17,489 students, including 7,136 students from rural area. Chemistry and biology. 1,360 groups. 17,621 students, including 6,826 students from rural area. Philology and art studies. 1,633 groups. 19,257 students, including 5,824 students from rural area. Assistance to young scientists and their scientific research is provided by over 65,000 pedagogues and scientists from educational establishments and institutions, among which 5,660% general educational institution teachers, 28% university teachers, 1,540% extracurricular institution teachers. Activity of Minor Academy of Sciences consists of 10 scientific departments which include 56 sections in almost all scientific areas, that promotes recognition of the most talented and gifted youth of our young state and develops scientific potential of the country. Among students of Minor Academy of Ukraine, there are quite a few gifted children, whose achievements are honored by medals, gratuities, charters, diplomas of Ministry of Education and Science of Ukraine, scholarships from President of Ukraine and prestige international awards.